Hey everyone, welcome to BucksBuzz, where we simplify money, investing, and financial freedom for you. Have you ever felt like your money disappears faster than you earn it? This video is your wake-up call. Today we're diving into why most people fail with money and how a simple personal budget can change everything. Here's a hard truth. Over 80% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, even those earning six figures. Why? Because without a budget, your money controls you instead of you controlling your money. It's not about how much you earn. It's about what you do with what you have. Let me introduce you to the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, groceries, bills. 30% for wants, dining out, shopping, entertainment. 20% for savings and debt repayment. Example, if you make $4,000 a month, $2,000 goes to needs, $1,200 goes to wants, $800 goes to savings or debt payoff. Tip, automate savings first. Treat it like a bill you owe yourself, because you do. Budgeting is not about restriction. It's about giving every dollar a purpose so you can build wealth instead of wondering where your money went. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, start by building your first budget today. If this helped you, smash that like button. Drop a comment telling me your number one money goal. Share it with a friend and subscribe to BucksBuzz for more real-world financial game plans. Remember, it's not about making more money. It's about managing it better. See you in the next video.